two projects. In this video, we are going to explain about a project titled Detection of Fake Accounts Using Machine Learning. The main introduction of this project is to create an advanced and effective solution for detecting and mitigating the fake accounts on social media platforms. By utilizing the capability of the machine learning algorithm, the project concentrates on analyzing the user behavior pattern, posting frequency, and engagement metric to differentiate between authentic and fraudulent accounts. Through training the model on a dataset comprising the label instance of both fake and genuine accounts, the system strives to achieve the real-time and precise detection of the suspicious profile. This undertaking has the potential to significantly bolster online security, combat the dissemination of misinformation, and ensure the protection of user privacy and trust on the social media platform. The project goal is to create a comprehensive and powerful system by employing a range of machine learning algorithms including SVM, random forest, ANN, neo-Bayes, KNN, linear SVM, decision tree, voting classifier, AdaBoost, and logistic regression. These algorithms will be leveraged to meticulously analyze the user behavior pattern and characteristic, enabling the precise differentiation between the genuine and the counterfeit accounts on the social media platform. The system's primary objective is to facilitate the real-time detection of the fraudulent profile, thereby enhancing the online security, curbing the dissemination of misinformation, and fostering the greater user trust and the privacy across the social media platform. This initiative has the potential to revolutionize the fight against the fake account, creating a safer and more authentic online environment for the users worldwide. These are the basic requirements that are needed to build this project. Software requirements: Python IDE with version of 3.7, Anaconda with version of 3.7, Jupyter Notebook. Hardware requirements are operating system as Windows, processor of minimum Intel i3 and above, RAM of minimum 4 GB, hard disk of minimum 250 GB. And to know about the flow of the project, these are the steps we need to discuss. The first one is importing the libraries. In this phase, the essential Python libraries are imported, such as NumPy, Pandas, sklearn to support the data manipulation, feature engineering, and the machine learning tasks. And the second one is importing the dataset. The project involves acquiring the two datasets containing the relevant features of the user accounts on the social media platform, including the status count, followers count, friend count, listed count, favorite count, and of more. And the third one is feature selection. To improve the model performance and reduce the dimensionality, feature selection techniques are applied to identify and retain the most relevant features for the fake account detection. And the fourth step is combining the two datasets. In this project, two datasets are used, and this step combine the dataset into the unified dataset for the seamless model application. And the fifth one step is applying the algorithm. Various machine learning algorithms are applied. The first one is SVM. It stands for Support Vector Mission, is used in the project to create a hyperplane that best separate the data point of the genuine and the fake account. It helps in binary classification, accurately distinguishing between the two classes based on the extracted features. And the second one is random forest. Random forest is employed as an ensemble learning algorithm combining the multiple decision tree to enhance the accuracy in the fake account detection. It leverages the strength of multiple trees to reduce the overfitting and achieve the better performance. And the third one is ANN. It stands for Artificial Neural Network, is utilized to create a deep learning model capable of learning the complex pattern from the data. It aids in the non-linear feature extraction and the classification, contributed to improved fake account detection. And the fourth one is neo-Bayes. Neo-Bayes is a probabilistic classifier used to predict the probability of an account being genuine or fake based on its feature. It assumes the independence among the features, making it computationally efficient for this classification task. And the fifth one is KNN. It stands for K nearest neighbor, is used for classification by comparing the input account data with the labeled instance in the dataset. It assigns a label to the account based on the majority class of its K nearest neighbor. And the sixth one is linear SVM. It stands for the Linear Support Vector Mission as another variant of the SVM that uses a linear kernel to perform the classification. It helps in the efficient separation of the data point, making it suitable for the large scale of the fake account detection. And the seventh step is decision tree. And thus it is employed for creating a tree-like model based on the features to classify the genuine or the fake account. It aids in easy interpretability of the model and handle both the numerical and the categorical data. And the eighth one is voting classifier. It combines the prediction of the multiple individual classifiers such as of logistic regression, random forest, naive Bayes, and it to make a final decision. It improves the prediction accuracy by taking the advantage of diverse model opinion. And the ninth algorithm is AdaBoost. It is also an ensemble algorithm that sequentially combines the weak learners to create a strong classifier. It focuses on difficult instance to improve overall classification performance. And the 10th algorithm is logistic regression. It is a linear classifier to estimate the probability of an account being genuine or fake based on its features, to provide the insight into the feature importance for the classification task. And the next step is training the model. The selected machine learning model are trained on the dataset to learn the pattern and the relationship between the features to accurately identify the fake account. And the next step is user gives the input. A user-friendly web interface using the Flask is implemented to allow the user to input the account information for the fake account detection. And the next step is the given input is pre-processed for prediction. The user-provided account information is pre-processed to ensure the compatibility with the trained model. This includes the data cleaning, normalization, and encoding the categorical features. And the next step is trained model is used for prediction. The pre-processed input is passed through the trained model to predict the likelihood of an account being the fake or the genuine. And the last one is final outcome is displayed. The model's prediction along with the additional information are displayed to the user through the web interface, providing a definitive outcome for the inputted account authenticity. The project aims to assist the user and the platform in identifying the fake account effectively, enhancing the online security and fostering a trustworthy environment on social media platform. And the execution of the project. To execute the project, first we need to open the code folder. And this is the code folder containing of various files within it. The dataset folder containing of the dataset of the F users and the users. And the static folder containing of the various folders like assets, CSS, JavaScript, icon and images within it. And the template folder containing of the various HTML documents within it. It includes like index, notebook, home, result, sign in and sign up pages within it. And the app is a py file which likely contains the information related to the front-end logic. It includes the code written in Python that handle the server-side operation such as processing the user request, interacting with the database, and generating the dynamic content that to be rendered in the HTML template. And the model is a pickle file that contains the information of the algorithm and is loaded into the project code during the runtime to utilize the trained model for various tasks such as making the prediction on the new data or performing the specific operation. And the notebook is an IPYNB file which contains the combination of code, graph and output all in one place. It allows the user to write and execute the code in the individual cell, making it a popular choice for the data science. And the signup.db is a file appear to be the database file used to store the user information. And the overall project code is present in the notebook file as a combination of code, graph, and output all in one place. To execute the project, we built a Flask framework as a front end. And for the execution, first we need to copy this code folder path and then open the Anaconda prompt. First, we need to change the location of the disk because our code folder is present in fdisk. Then write a command cd space and paste this code folder path. By this, it will redirect it to the directory to code folder path. And then write a command that is python space app.py. By using this command, it will execute the Python script and check any runtime errors or the syntax errors or logical issues within it. And then click on enter button. After running this app.py file, the Flask framework will host the local address like this. We need to copy this address link and paste it on any of the web browser as of your choice. And I prefer to use the Google Chrome, and I'm pasting this link and click on the enter button. Here we can see that redirected to the page containing of the title of the project and sign up and sign in buttons. Click on the sign up button. It will redirect you to the sign up page containing of some necessary details that are need to be filled to create an account. But my account is already created. That's why I'm using the sign in button. Here we redirected to this login page containing of username and password that are need to be filled to, and I'm filling those details of username and password as of admin. And then click on the submit button. Here we redirected to this index page containing of some input details that are need to be filled, and the status count is of 3 and the follower count is of 40 and the friends count is of 45 and the favorite count is of 1 and the listed count is of 2. And then click on the predict button. Here a profile is detected as of genuine one, and click on the back button and the refresh button. Here we can re-enter the other details of status count as 27 and the followers count is of 145 and the friend count is of 986 and the follower count is of 45 and the favorite count is of 2 and the listed count is of 8. And then click on the predict button. Here it predicted as of genuine one, and click on the refresh button. And enter the detail of status count as of 26 and the follower count is of 5 and the friends count is of 798 and the favorite count is of 16 and the listed count is of 3. And then click on the predict button. Here the profile is predicted as fake one. In this way we can detect the fake accounts by using the machine learning techniques. And this is the comparison graph where the x-axis represents the score of each algorithm's accuracy and the y-axis represents the algorithm names that we used in this project. And in conclusion, the project has successfully achieved its objective of developing an advanced and robust system to identify and mitigate the fake account on the social media platform. By leveraging a combination of machine learning algorithm including the SVM, random forest, ANN, Naive-Bayes, KNN, linear SPM, decision tree, voting classifier, AdaBoost, and the logistic regression, the system can accurately distinguish between the genuine and the fraudulent profile based on the user behavior pattern. This project holds the potential to significantly enhance the online security, combat the spread of misinformation, and safeguard the user privacy and trust on the social media platform, ultimately creating a safer and more authentic online environment.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects, please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Project's YouTube channel and subscribe.